What is going on, SHIB Army guys? You beat Dogecoin, the Elon Musk pet thing. By the way, today's word of the day is moist. I want you to say that to any woman that you meet today. Just say something with the word moist in it. That's going to be our word of the day. But I'm going to show you a little bit of an article here. It's not significant. We didn't pass them an overall market value or anything like that yet. But we did have a significant little run while the rest of the market has been bleeding out. So we got to address it right. Shiba Inu beats Dogecoin as SHIB Army awaits the Shibarium public reopening. Public reopening of SHIB is happening pretty soon. Now, what I will say about this, because I don't have the exact moment, is that Lucy is very active right now, promoting a lot of different things. There is a thing on Bad Idea AI if you want to go over there and vote. So there's plenty going on in the ecosystem, but they're also referencing right before the Shibarium reopen. So you're going to see there's a lot going on, and I suspect that it's going to happen in the next few hours. So get your hands at the ready and be ready to start trading significantly. But SHIB surpassed Dogecoin, which saw a 0.75% gain over the past 24 hours. SHIB with a 4% gain over that same 24 hours. So SHIB is now passing Doge while the market is in a dip. And look, it was bloody market yesterday, but Shiba Inu held up incredibly well, as did Bone. Leash was a kind of a mixed bag. Of course, running down from $600 to $400 makes it look, like it fell off a cliff, so to speak. But really, I think it's holding up fantastic compared to the broader markets. Now, let's say meme coins. So Shiba Inu, the dog-faced altcoin in the native cryptocurrency, the SHIB ecosystem, has beaten its rival Dogecoin in terms of performance as the SHIB army awaits the reopening of its layer 2 scalability solution, Shibarium. SHIB surpassed Dogecoin, Elon Musk's favorite meme coin. That's not true, by the way. Elon Musk's favorite coin is SHIB. He's just trying to joke with you guys. It's kind of like when you call a fat guy slim. You know what I'm talking about. You get it. He doesn't like Dogecoin, which saw a 0.75 gain over the last 24 hours. The surge of the price for Shiba Inu could be attributed to the massive accumulation of whales over the past few days. Now, there has been a massive accumulation by whales over the next few days because they know that Shibarium is a game changer. Now, people have been testing it on the test center. PuppyNet, look, this thing is going to blow when this starts to happen. And specifically, the first thing I think that we're going to see is an incredible, massive sort of run on Bone, because we bought the rumor, we sold the news already. Now it's the actual launch. This delay is actually an interesting sort of mixed bag, because normally and specifically on this chart here, we bought the rumor, we sold the news. Voyager Digital had a little bit of help in that, but we bought the rumor, we sold the news. We got a pump here when we thought that it was going to launch, and then the launch happened. Like all of this stuff, all this build up, all this manifestation of potential, et cetera, like it's going to be realized pretty soon. Now, once this happens, I would suggest that we probably start looking at Bone first. And this 50 SMA, which is moving this direction, probably going to test that at 137, 138, maybe retrace a little bit, probably not back down here to 118, more like in this 125 range, and then have a breakout move up here. And I think that we're going to rapidly start to test some highs here. I do think that 210 is still in play on Bone. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, though. If you disagree with me, that's okay. But I think that we're going to have a significant sort of run. Now, mixed bag over here on SHIB. We're already bouncing off of the 50 SMA. So I think that the SHIB's going to play out a little bit differently, and I think a little bit slower, but a little more robust overall. So we're bouncing off of the 50 SMA right now, which would mean that there's some significant potential come down here to 75 before it starts to rip back up here. But this 200 SMA right in this range right here. So I want to say that, maybe we're going to have a nice bounce up into the 96, 97 range. I think that the way that we've idled, the way that we accumulated at this point with the relaunch, with this secondary launch getting ready to happen, it's going to be my guess. I'm not, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you what to do, but I'm going to tell you this. I am in the next hour or two going long on both SHIB and Bone. So you're gonna, you'll see me talking about it over the next little while. But I'm gonna go long on both of them, and I'm gonna use probably 15 to 25 leverage to just see where this thing goes. Now, if you follow me, you already know I'm in a big Bone long. 4,400 bone, but I'm looking to accumulate a little bit more because I really think that bone is set for the start of a fantastic run. I'm not going to be there at $200. I'll have my own bag, which I have 1,000 bone. I'll be there for that, but I will not be there on these futures. But I'm definitely going to go long again on bone. Definitely going to go long again on SHIB. We're going to see what happens. I still hold 30 million SHIB because Austin Hilton told me to. So there you go. Anyway, this is not financial advice. My name's Bleez. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we will talk to you again very, very soon.